Hi everyone, welcome to the thought process in Power BI in the Movies Dataset Case Study. In this video, I'm going to show you how to load and analyze and visualize the data of this case study. Let's dive in. The first step in any data analysis project is to load the dataset into the tool for processing. I started by opening Power BI desktop and loading the movies metadata.csv file. I used the Get Data feature under the Home tab and selected the CSV option. Once the file was selected, I previewed the data to ensure everything was correct and clicked Load to import it into Power BI. Next, I saved the project as .pbix file named Movies Dataset Case Study .pbix for future reference and further processing. To ensure the data is clean and accurate, I removed duplicates. I opened Power Query Editor by clicking Transform Data in the Home tab. In Power Query, I identified the columns that would help detect duplicate records. Then I selected these columns and used the Remove Duplicates feature. This ensures that duplicate records do not affect the accuracy of my analysis. The next step was to analyze the dataset by performing basic calculations. Using the Modeling tab in Power BI, I created measures for statistical analysis. For example, I calculated the mean, max, and min values for key fields like budget, popularity, revenue, runtime, watt average, and watt count. These calculations provided a high-level overview of the data and helped identify patterns and outliers. Additionally, I created a calculated column for ROI using the formula revenue minus budget divided by budget multiplied by 100. This allowed me to assess the profitability of movies. I used a table visualization in Power BI to display these descriptive statistics. That summary table is a quick reference for understanding the key metrics of the dataset. To identify which genres generated the most revenue, I grouped the data by genre in Power Query and calculated the average revenue for each genre. I then created a clustered bar chart with a genre on the x-axis and average revenue on the y-axis. Sorting the chart by average revenue and filtering for the top 10 genres highlighted the most profitable genres. Next, I analyzed the relationship between ROI and budget. I created a scatter plot setting budget on the x-axis with a logarithmic scale and ROI on the y-axis. This visualization helped to understand how different budget levels impacted the return on investment. To analyze trends in revenue over time, I grouped the data by release year and calculated the average revenue for each year. I then created a line chart with release year on the x-axis and average revenue on the y-axis. This visualization showed how revenue patterns evolved over time. I saved the final Power BI file as Movies Dataset Case Study.pbix. To document my steps, I used the bookmarks feature to save visualizations, states, and added descriptions for each visual in the report view. This ensures the analysis is well documented and easily reproducible. For the final overview, I exported the report as a video using Power BI Publish to Web feature. Alternatively, I recorded a walkthrough using a screen recording tool. Sharing these insights interactively or via video makes it easier for stakeholders to understand and act on the findings. This thought process ensures a structured and clear explanation of each step taken in the Power BI analysis of the Movies Dataset Case Study. I hope you enjoyed this video.